This is the Susquehanna Riverwalk and Timber Trail in Lycoming County, Pennsylvania. It is an approximately 4-mile paved bikeway walkway loop along the levee system in the city of Williamsport, the borough of South Williamsport, and Loyalstock Township, with river crossings along the Newmarket Street Bridge and the Maynard Street Bridge. The amenities include interpretive signage, benches, and a woodhick sculpture by a local artist, showcasing the region's rich timbering history. The Susquehanna Riverwalk and Timber Trail lie within the state's lumber heritage region, the Pennsylvania Wilds, and the Susquehanna Greenway. The Susquehanna Riverwalk links with the Loyalstock Bikeway at Commerce Park Drive, making it easy to extend your run, walk, or bike ride another few miles. See the links below for a PDF of the Susquehanna Life article explaining some of the features. There's also a link to the Lycoming County Parks main page, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.